After putting it on, repeatedly adjust the position. How to align the position correctly. Pinch this corner with your hand. Pinch it with your hand. It is neither too fleshy nor too little fleshy. After sewing, it is tight. This indicates the position is correct, including the bottom. Pinch with your hand around the 6 o'clock direction and place it at the most centered position. The same goes for the 3 o'clock direction. Pinch this corner with your hand. If this part is off, pinch this place or this place with your hand. It will be hollow, or there will be less flesh. The first step is very crucial. Align the position properly before proceeding to the next step. Very crucial. If the position is not aligned, just hold it with your hand and rotate it upwards or downwards. Adjust the 3 legs separately. 2 legs are aligned properly. One of them is not aligned properly. Just adjust it separately. Adjust it separately. These 2 legs do not move. We must make sure the position is correct. Then proceed to the next step. Very critical. After the position is aligned, we apply double-sided tape. Look at how the double-sided tape is applied. Just stick it to this ear area. Stick a little on the front, including its back. Also needs to be stuck a little. What is the purpose of sticking double-sided tape? That is to say, after we sew it, after stuffing well, this area including its back will be very snug. If not pasted, there may be wrinkles in this area, or there are places with air bubbles, including the 6 o'clock direction. All 369 points must be stuck. Now let's talk about how to tuck in. We use professional tools to tuck the edges. Let's see how to tuck. After the position is aligned, after the double-sided tape is firmly attached, put all the excess in. We first stuff the side of this car. First stuff this area. Before stuffing, I can separately insert this stuffing tool into the gap first. Insert it into this gap first. Feel this gap. Stuff the side. We first stuff this side. I have one hand. Normally 2 hands work together to stuff. It's easier to stuff this way. See that? After stuffing from the side. Along this side. Expanding it to both sides to stuff. 2 hands work together to stuff. It is easy to stuff. Fold the excess over. Push it in. 2 hands work together to stuff. I have only one hand now, so it's not very easy to stuff. This is double-sided tape. If there is residue, just rub it off with your hand. This is no problem. Then this ear on top. See that? Put it on. The surrounding area all needs to be tucked in. The back also needs to be tucked in. The bottom should be tucked in along the original car gap. Finally, sew it together with the back. The back also needs to be stuffed. This is the right side, then the left side. This is the effect after stuffing is done. Let everyone see the effect of the stuffing. The top, including the back, all need to be stuffed in. Let's turn it around. Move to the back. See that? Very clear. Stuff everything in the back. This button is not affected. Push it to this place. Stuff in below the button. Stuff everything in. Same below. Both front and back sides must be stuffed in. Let me show you the effect of the car fully stuffed. Although I skipped the process, because I couldn't record it myself with a phone. But the method of stuffing the edges is the same. Just follow the edge stuffing method I mentioned earlier. Find the right method and stuff it firmly. Some customers say it can't be stuffed in, including the back side that can't be stuffed in. Actually, it's all about strong effort creating miracles. As long as the method is right, with enough force, it can mostly be stuffed in. Let's take a look at the details. Make sure this area is fully stuffed. The top, including the back here. See, very clearly, must be stuffed well. Then at the 6 o'clock direction. The front and back at the 6 o'clock direction also need to be stuffed in. How do we stuff the back of the bag? Many customers ask how to stuff the back. For this back, we just turn it to a suitable angle. Tilt the head over. Stuff from the back. The stuffing method is the same as the front. Just use force to stuff it in. Our border tool provides this tool. If everyone feels this thing is not easy to use, you can look for this thing. But you must be careful when using this thing. Don't scratch the car. We are professional, so we know how to apply force. So it will be stuffed very well. After stuffing well, start picking up stitches and sewing. How to pick up stitches and how to sew. I use other sewing machine models for demonstration. The method is the same. 3 panels. We divide it into 3 sections to sew. Each panel picks up stitches from the middle to both sides. Pick up several stitches from the middle to both sides. Final sewing. Now let's talk about how to sew. I will explain to you a correct method for starting and ending stitches, and record a detailed tutorial video. Which segment of distance do we sew? Leave a thread length that is 4 times the distance. Measure it 4 times like our master does. Then cut it off. Pay attention. After threading the needle through, the needle is brought over. Do not tie knots on the needle. That thread end is one end long and one end short. Like this. Look at how the first stitch starts. We tie it in the very middle. Fix the thread like this. Pull it. Fix it. When sewing, the thread will be fixed. Just use the needle to sew the edge threads on both sides. Actually, it is very simple. Just keep sewing the edges on both sides. Look at the end. We sew to the last stitch. This is the last stitch. Then thread it through. We sew one more stitch. Then use the thread to wrap around the needle 3 times. Wrap 3 times like this. Pull tight. This is equivalent to tying a knot. It will not come undone. Cut and leave a little. We can put the thread end. Stuffing it into the seam is very perfect. Or you can burn it with a lighter. Sewing from the middle to the right side is already done. Now we use the remaining half thread to continue sewing from the middle to the left. Rethread the needle. Sew the edge lines on both sides using the same method. Continue sewing. After sewing, you can finish it in the same way. This is the effect of the left side that has been sewn.
缝制完成。